conduct ng Army Reserve Command all throughout the archipelago, from Region 1 hanggang dito sa Mindanao. Nangyayari ito ngayon, simultaneous to na kinakandak. So in behalf of our commander, the Commander of the Reserve Command, Philippine Army, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude sa ating member ng 39IB, sa ating member ng 11 Upper Silver Sector Infantry Battalion, sa ating member ng Philippine National Police Provincial ng Davao del Sur, sa lahat ng ROTC unit, sa ating member ng BGMP, sa member ng Bureau of Fire Protection. This program will not be accomplished without your support. Sa muli, maraming salamat sa inyo at mabuhay ang lahing Pilipino.
Let every step remind us of the freedom we enjoy and the unity we share. As a juncture, may we now hear the voices of the participants coming from different uniformed personnel. As I call your name of your units, please respond, mabuhay. Mabuhay ang 39IB! Mabuhay ang PNP! Mabuhay ang BGMP! Mabuhay ang BFP! Mabuhay ang ROTC Cadets! Yun. Mabuhay ang veterans! Yun, sir. Mabuhay ang 11 Upper CDC and 11 RRBN! At mabuhay po tayong lahat! Together, let us celebrate and honor our nation. Let's walk for freedom. To formally start our Lakad Kalayaan, the troop commander from 39IB will now command Pasolong.
Ako ay Pilipino. Buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas. At sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan, at kalayaan na pinakikilos ng sambayanang makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa.